So today we're going to show you how to adjust the time in your Bentley vehicle. Now, if you're starting on the navigation screen, basically the easiest thing to do would be to scroll down into settings. And then from there, you'll notice you're going to want to scroll down again until you get to the system settings. From system, right at the top, you'll have date and time, which you can then select. And now there's a few different options in here. Automatic time is going to synchronize with the GPS signal, so you shouldn't have to change anything. Also, your automatic time zone, if for some reason that's not selected, you would be able to select a time zone, but you're going to want to go ahead and keep that selected, so if you cross borders, it will change with you. Again, your date format you can change, and then also the time format if you'd like to adjust that as well. So if you deselect automatic time, if you want to program maybe a few minutes ahead, you're able to do that here and then confirm. But like we mentioned, keeping automatic time is likely best for you. And that's how you adjust the time in your Bentley vehicle.